How to gain weight for women. Being underweight can lead to many health issues for women, such as weakened immune systems, decreased muscle mass, unhealthy hair, skin, and nails, weakened bones, and the inability to menstruate. Gaining weight and maintaining a healthy lifestyle can decrease the probability of these health issues. Follow these tips to gain weight. 1. Consume an additional 500 kilocalories per day. An extra 500 kilocalories per day is enough to help you gain weight, but should not leave you feeling sluggish, bloated, or sick. However, it is important to be aware that these extra calories should be gained in a healthy way by eating more calorie-rich foods that are still packed with vitamins and nutrients. 2. Consume more healthy fats. Foods containing healthy fats are full of nutrients and also high in calories, making them a great option for weight gain. Foods containing plant fats should be your first option. This includes items such as nuts, seeds, peanut butter, avocados, and olive oil. 3. Eat more protein. Protein-rich foods are your best friend when you're trying to gain weight healthily. They help to build lean muscles rather than adding much fat. Eating protein is particularly important if you plan on doing strength-gaining exercises. Good sources of protein include lean meat, fish, and poultry, in addition to eggs, whole grains, dairy products, and legumes. 4. Cook using oil or butter. One easy way to increase your calorie intake with each meal without the necessity of actually eating more food is to cook using oil or butter. Try stir-frying your vegetables in a knob of butter or drizzling a little olive oil over salads and cooked veggies. Simply by adding a tablespoon of these fats to each dish, you could be adding 100 kilocalories. 5. Drink more calories. Another good trick for increasing your calorie intake is to simply consume more calorie-laden drinks. This will help you to gain weight without ruining your appetite or causing you to feel bloated. 6. Increase your portion sizes. Try eating just a little bit more with each meal than you normally would, even if you have to push yourself slightly past your comfort zone. Over time, your stomach will adjust to the bigger portion size, and you will no longer notice the difference. 7. Eat frequently. Try eating more often than you normally would, and never skip meals. In fact, most experts agree that eating 6 mini meals a day is better than eating 3 large ones. 8. Eat more snacks. Try to incorporate more snacks into your daily routine, as these can be a great way of adding calories without having to eat too much. Grab a handful of nuts while you're watching TV, eat a banana on your way to work, or spread some hummus on whole grain crackers while you're waiting for dinner. 9. Improve the taste of your food. People who are underweight often complain that food just doesn't appeal to them. Therefore, it's a good idea to make your food more appealing by experimenting with herbs and spices and by making new dishes that you've never tried before. 10. Eat a little more quickly. Dieters are often advised to eat more slowly, as this helps their brain to register that they are full before they can overeat. The opposite goes for those who are trying to gain weight. 11. Gain muscle mass. It's a good idea to continue to exercise while you attempt to gain weight the healthy way. However, it's probably best to lay off the cardio, which burns those hard-earned calories, and focus on strength training instead, which builds muscle mass and helps you to gain weight. 12. Quit smoking. Smoking is a bad idea for those who are trying to gain weight as it suppresses the appetite. 13. Keep a food journal. Keeping a food journal will allow you to keep track of your weight gain and enable you to see which methods are working and which are not. Make a note of calories you consumed that day and every calorie you burned. Also write down your weight after each weekly weigh-in. 14. Reduce your stress. Stress may also be contributing to your low weight. When people are stressed, they can neglect basic things like eating regularly and well and exercising. Try to keep your stress levels down. Take time every day to unwind and relax. 15. Stay committed. Gaining weight is not an easy process. In fact, gaining weight can be much harder than losing it. However, it is important that you stay committed and keep your eyes on the prize. Good luck. Thanks for watching. See our other videos about health.